Witnesses say they heard the sound of
My
cracking
God,
and
that
screams.
flow
Someone yelled
gate
at people
away
to
on
stop
them
jumping
people.
moments before the collapse. And heartbreak in Mexico Beach, Florida, the mother of country music star Luke Bryan returning home, seeing devastation by the storm. Claire Bryan sifting through the debris of what used to be her home. Luke Bryan tonight asking for prayers for those affected by the storm. When we come back tonight, a prayer answered. America Strong, the unbelievable moment in a school gym. ABC World News Tonight with David Muir, sponsored by the makers of Aleve, back and muscle pain.
I am Jake, Locksmith Services.Jacksonville, Florida. Today is October 22nd, 2018.
Only Aleve targets tough pain for up to 12 hours with just one pill. Aleve back and muscle, all day strong, all day long.
Hey there, people eligible for Medicare. Give me 30 seconds, and I'll give you 3 things to know about AARP Medicare supplement insurance plans insured by United Healthcare Insurance Company. 1. Plans like these help pay some of what Medicare doesn't. 2. They let you choose any doctor who accepts Medicare patients. 3. These are the only plans endorsed by AARP. Call United Healthcare today and ask for your free decision guide. Whether you were born from your dad's office, or travels, or more touchdowns, get the immune support that keeps you warm. Airborne gummies have 50% more vitamin C than emergency. Plus, are crafted by vitamins, minerals, and herbs. With Fidelity Wealth Management, you get straightforward advice, tailored recommendations, tax-efficient investing strategies, and a dedicated advisor to help you grow and protect your wealth. Fidelity Wealth Management. From discovering Nexium 24-hour to treat her frequent heartburn, Claire can help you manage enjoying chocolate cake.
Feel like walking, feel like getting down, getting my exercise, and bouncing around things.
The typical vacuum head has its limitations, so Shark invented Duo Clean. While deep cleaning carpets, the added soft brush roll picks up large particles, gives floors a polished look, and fearlessly devours piles.